y'all, if y'all want to see how she did with this look, make sure you what? Keep watching, okay?
If you need someone to do your makeup, call Gabby.
Oh, good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mom here and me here. And I'm gonna do my mom's makeup.
Oh, okay. So welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's your girl Jazz and
Gabby.
And guess what today, guys? We are going to be, well, I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna sit back and she's gonna do my makeup today. So yeah, you guys, I'm in for a treat. So I'm gonna tell her what goes where and we just gonna let her have at it. So let's get right into it, guys. Okay, Gabby, the first thing that you got to put on my face is going to be primer. So take the primer and I'm gonna give it to you because I don't need you using up all my stuff. Okay, here, I'm gonna put a little bit on your fingers. Now you gotta rub it on my face.
Okay.
All over here. All over my face. Okay, all right. Now you're gonna take this brush and I'm gonna put some foundation on here. I'm just gonna squirt it on my face. And you gotta blend it in. You gotta do it all over, not in one spot.
Why are you looking like this?
Cause Are you a makeup artist?
Yes.
How long have you been doing makeup?
10,000, I think.
Since when?
10,000, I think.
10,000?
Yeah.
10,000 what? Gotta blend it in, huh? You blended it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did?
You blended everything in?
Yeah.
You blended this side good?
Yeah. No.
Okay. Now what you want to do now? Since we got our foundation on, what you want to do now? Huh? You want to get you want to give me some eyeshadow? Oh god. Jaclyn Hill, the Morphe Jeffree Star, or the Matte Book? Which one you gonna pick?
That's me.
Okay, Jeffree Star. Alrighty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so here. You can pick whatever color you want to pick. Okay, so you're going to go with the pink. Alright. Whoa, don't get it in the other ones. Okay, that's enough. And you can talk while you do it.
And this is pink.
Okay.
And I can do a lot of makeup. And what I have to do is do lipstick. And I used to do that. And what I used to do is do makeup, but when I was a baby, I messed up makeup.
When you was a baby, you messed up makeup.
And when I was a little bit, I said, Mom, can I do your makeup? And you said, no, because I was little.
Oh, so you bigger now, so you can do makeup.
Yeah.
You blended it in? You want to use another color?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, use whatever color you want to use.
I already did pink.
You already did pink, so what do you want to try to do now? That pink? Okay. Where you want to put it?
I think I want to put it on the other piece.
Okay.
I couldn't.
Okay, that's enough of that one.
I did it did it at the bottom.
At the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, child. All right.
Look at this.
Oh, God. Now, if you want to use this glitter, all you do have to do is take your finger and then wipe it across if you want to do glitter. You want to do glitter?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You see it?
Yeah. You can open it.
I can open my eye. Okay. Okay, girl. All right. I see the little pink glitter thing going on. Okay. All right, you done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, what else we gonna do? So, yeah, let's find the pencil so you can do my eyebrows, girl. So now, what you do down for my eyebrows is you just, yeah, you can put it up there. That's fine. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So, you take this and you kind of just darken my eyebrows a little bit, okay? All right. But not too hard. Can you see it? Okay. You got to follow the line. Is it going on?
Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Why are you doing it?
Oh my God.
You like it?
Oh yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Oh.
Why are you looking like that?
Yeah, girl. Okay. For let's see what else you want to do. You want to make my cheeks? You want to do a little contour?
Yeah.
Yes, girl. Okay. All right. So this is the little contour brush, and you put contour. You put contour. You put a little bit on here, and you put the contour like right here, and at the top, and then on my nose.
Okay.
So you kind of, yeah.
I kind of put some thing right there, but that's okay.
You can get some more if you need it. Okay.
You see it?
Yeah. Okay, alright, you got a little contour over there. Okay. Alright, so you want to do some blush?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to use this brush to put blush. And then you normally put the blush on your cheeks to make your cheeks pink. You enjoy doing this? You do?
You see it? I'm making your hair get pink. I'm making your hair get pink. I'm making your hair get pink.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay.
Mom, look like
Now you can give me some lipstick. What kind of lipstick you want to give me?
Pink.
You want to give me some pink lipstick?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one?
Okay. You gonna open it? Okay.
Ooh.
What I gotta do?
Perfect.
Perfect?
Yeah. Look.
Okay. Alright. Okay, girl. You got the whole little pink look going on. I see it. Okay. You want to put some lip gloss on top?
And here it goes on the top. Hello here.
Mm-hmm.
Hey. Do you got it in your mouth?
Mm-mm. No, that's good.
Sounds like fart.
It sounds like fart. Girl, you nasty. You want to do a little highlight?
Yeah. I.
Highlight, you normally put above the contour, like up here and up here.
Okay, girl, that's enough.
Yeah. Oh, child.
Get out, Bryce.
And you put it on your nose. Bryson, do you want to come look at my face? Okay, I think we got enough highlight. You gonna put on?
Okay.
Girl, you tried to highlight the whole face, okay? Go! Oh my God. So y'all, let me know how she did, okay? Cause yeah, this is how your girl is looking. How you think she did, Bryson?
I think she did good. Well, she actually got a little like get that off.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay.
Guys, this is the finished look. This is what she did. This is what my 4-year-old did, you guys.
She actually, wait, I didn't know she can do that.
Yes, this is what she did. She did my whole face.
By herself?
Yeah.
Go,
So, guys.
yeah, you're honest.
So, what they need to do, Gabby?
Hit that bell. And hit the subscribe. And hit that And little, hit the bell.
Oh.
And hit that little bell.
Get you!
And what else? And say bye.
Say bye then.